Digital Money Tools, Part 9. Tool number 8, Cashback and Rewards Apps, Smart Spending Explained. You are spending anyway. Why not get paid for it? You already spend money: groceries, fuel, online shopping, subscriptions. The question is not, should I spend? The real question is, am I getting something back? Cashback and rewards apps don't make you rich, but they stop money from being wasted. Section 1. What are cashback and rewards apps? Cashback and rewards apps are digital tools that give you cashback discounts, rewards points, for purchases you already make. Instead of changing your lifestyle, they optimize it. You spend, you get value back. Section 2. Why these apps exist, the business model. Nothing is free. So why do these apps pay you? Because companies pay them to bring customers, increase spending, build loyalty. Cashback apps share a portion of this money with you. It's marketing money, redirected to your pocket. Section 3. Common types of cashback apps. Cashback apps come in many forms. Type 1. Payment apps with rewards. Example, Cash App, digital wallets. They offer cashback boosts, discounts, referral bonuses. Type 2. Shopping cashback apps. Examples, Rakuten, Honey. You shop online, they track the purchase, you earn cashback. Type 3. Credit-based reward systems, cards and apps that give points, miles, cashback. Used correctly, they benefit you. Section 4. The psychology of rewards. Important. Rewards change behavior, but this can work for you or against you. Used wisely, you recover value, reduce effective cost. Used poorly, you overspend, chase rewards, lose more than you gain. Smart spending always comes first. Section 5. Real-life story, smart use case. Meet Omar. Omar tracked his spending. He added, cashback on fuel, rewards on groceries. Same spending, lower net cost. He didn't buy more. He spent smarter. Section 6. Common mistakes. People make people fail with rewards apps when they spend just to earn cashback. They ignore fees. They forget to redeem. Cashback is a bonus, not a reason to spend. Section 7. Security and data awareness. Most apps require purchase tracking transaction data. Use trusted apps only. Read permissions carefully. Control matters more than rewards. Section 8. Who should use cashback apps? Cashback apps are perfect for regular spenders, families, online shoppers, fuel users. Not ideal if you struggle with overspending. You chase discounts impulsively. Discipline comes first. Section 9. How cashback fits into your system. Your system now looks like this: budget, control savings, security investing, growth, cashback, optimization. Nothing wasted, everything intentional. Transition to tool number 9. Tools work better when you understand why you use them. That's why the next tool is not an app, it's knowledge. The video is still continuing. If you want to watch the next part, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. The next section will help you understand money deeply, not just use apps.